This week's U.S. CQM forecast alert is U.S. Economic Outlook in 2023 Q2 from three approaches. Since the advanced 2023 Q1 GDP has been released, it will be the economic forecast for 2023 Q2 GDP from this week. Advanced 2023 Q1 GDP was released to be 1.06%, below the market consensus of 2% growth, and roughly in line with CQM's forecast of a 1.14% increase on the expenditure side. The income side economic growth rate, real GDI, has not yet been released, but it is likely to grow at a rate about 1% lower than real GDP. The reported inflation was in the 4% to 5% range, slightly above the 3.5% to 4.5% range of the CQM PCA forecast. PCA forecast undercut real GDP growth by 0.6% and GDP price deflator by 0.2%. Till April business inventories, import and export are updated. Economic growth on the income side is more reliable than that on the expenditure side. Till April business inventories and import and export are updated, it is better to grasp the current economic situation by real final sales and real domestic final sales. Inflation has begun to form a downward trend, and the current inflation is projected to be in the range of 2% to 3%. The PCA forecasts real GDP growth of 1.43% and a GDP price deflator of 2.79%. Conclusion from this week's US CQM forecast alert. First, inflation in 2023 Q2 is in the range of 2% to 3%, forming a downtrend. Second, latent true economic growth is around 1.5%, based on PCA forecast and the average economic growth of both the expenditure and income side. Third, there is a recession risk based on the economic growth on the income side and growth rate of real final sales. This slide contains additional information about this week's detailed CQM forecast, the original developer of CQM and CQM theory papers.